What is up, everyone? Ryan with Lane's Barbecue, and today we are talking Little Smokies. All right, here's how it's gonna go. We've got our Little Smokies. We got 4 packs here. We've got our Spellbound Hot that we're gonna season them up with. And then sometimes when they come out, just to get them to adhere a little bit better to the seasoning, we're gonna use some duck fat spray in the pot. Got them seasoned up. Smoker set at 250. We're just gonna go low and slow for 30 to 40 minutes. All right, we're gonna add about a cup for our little spicy sauce. All right, we got about half of the jar of this fire pepper jelly, about 5 ounces worth of jelly. All right, we're gonna season it more with our Spellbound Hot. We've got half a cup of light brown sugar. And then we've got our stick of butter that we've cubed up. Then what you're gonna do, hey man, get to play with your food. Get all this mixed in, that jelly broken up. All right, now once this is all incorporated, we're gonna bump the smoker up to 400 degrees and go until this starts to caramelize and cooks them all the way through. All right, the Little Smokies are done. Here's a little pro tip too. Go ahead and take them off the smoker about 15-20 minutes before you want to eat them. You can see the juice of everything that we've added, that little spicy sauce, the butter, the jelly in there. It'll still like thicken up, get a little more tacky, but that's it. Everything in one pan, quick and easy. We're actually gonna pull a couple of these out and make some pigs in a blanket with them too. But all that being said, hey man, enjoy the time around the grill. We'll see you soon. Oh, really hot. Little piggy in the blanket. We're dunking in our little spicy sauce. Mmm.